Always wondering how to level up your life? Then this is the perfect video for you. Leveling your life up can be uncomfortable, but it is the best decision one can ever make because it can help building you as a person, increase productivity, and shapes the overall well-being. So in today's video, I will teach you some tips to level your life up and become your best self. But before we get any further, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Tip 1. Have self-discipline. Self-discipline is the key to level your life up. Having self-discipline is the most fundamental tip in becoming your best self. Let discipline be part of every area of your life because with discipline you can do and achieve anything. Because it will help you stay on track even if you don't feel like it. Without discipline, you can't level up your life. Tip 2. Try waking up early every day. I know this might be difficult, but waking up early every day at a particular time helps to boost productivity, improve focus, and set the tone for the entire day. When you control your morning, you control your life. Tip 3. Organize your stuff. Organizing your stuff is also an important tip to level up your life. Create systems, use tools, or establish routines to organize. Organizing has a lot of benefits such as being able to find stuff easily, improves focus, reduce stress, better time management, among others. Tip 4. Learn something new every day. Learning something new helps one to acquire some skills and improve on it, which enhances personal and professional development. Also, learning something new every day makes your mind active and sharp, and this stimulates the brain. When you don't learn new things, it makes your mind dull and does not even support the overall well-being. Tip 5. Avoid negative self-talk. Negative self-talk can erode self-confidence and create self-doubt. It also brings about stress and anxiety, which reduces productivity and can even cause health problems. These are my main tips which will help you level your life in 2025. And if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share for more videos. Hit the subscribe button to be updated every time I post a new video. See you all in my next video. Bye!